This is the Pixel 6 right in my hand, and it's been nearly a year since the launch of this device. I've been using this for the past 3 to 4 months, and my experience with it, spoiler alert, not that great. Well, it is a great phone. Yes, it has a great set of cameras. Sure, it has great design. It has a custom chip from Google. But the problem with this device is it's not consistent. Alright, first let me start with the problem that I've been facing with this device from day one. I use Jio as a physical SIM and Airtel as the eSIM in this device, and from day one, the signal drops randomly. I thought that it was the problem of Google. I waited for a couple of months for the update to fix that. It turns out to be the problem of my phone. I bought this from an offline store, as some of you might know. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I've already made a video on the Pixel 6, check that out, in which I told from where I bought this device and for how much I bought this. It turned out to be the problem of my device because I think my device has a faulty modem. Keep in mind that if you want to buy a Pixel 6, just don't buy it from them. Instead, I had partnered with DPanda to get some stocks of the Pixel 6 brand new, and you can buy that in the lowest ever cost in India. There's a link in the description below. Scroll down until you find the Pixel 6, add on to your cart, check out, then you will get the device in just 5 to 7 days. And what's more important, you will also get a 7 days of replacement warranty for that, so you can buy from that or you can also buy it from Amazon. So let's get back to the topic, the Pixel 6 and my experience with it. Of course, again, it has a great camera, it has a great design, it has a custom chip from Google, but the problem is it's not consistent. Let me show you an example. This is the CPU throttling test of the Pixel 6 and the S21. And I know that the Pixel 6 should be ideally compared with the S22, but hey, I'm not comparing the performance. Instead, I'm comparing the consistency. So if you take a look at the graph, the Pixel 6 is thermal throttling. The first test, it throttled to 74%, while in the second test, it throttled to 61%. But if you compare with the numbers of the S21 is pretty consistent. So from this, you can easily say that the Pixel 6 is not a consistent contender. I do agree that it's the problem of Samsung's fabrication of the Google Tensor chipset, but hey, Samsung managed it to do better in their S21, but why couldn't they do it for Google? That's because of Google's software. Google should have worked on the software optimization of this chip and should have maintained a consistent performance, which might have made this device consistent. Not only in terms of CPU performance, but also inconsistency is there in network, in RAM management, in all sorts of stuff. I asked with the people who had the Pixel 6, they told that the network reception is a bit bad when compared to other smartphones. And there's a reason to that. Google has already addressed that issue of network problem for people who are using this device in regions where it's not sold. And that's because the Pixel 6 has a custom modem from Samsung and it's not optimized for the region that you are there probably. But if you use that particular device in the region where it's officially supported, then it might work well. So keep in mind that if you're buying this device from a country where it's not officially sold, then the network reception might be a bit bad when compared to others, but not as bad as the device which I've got in my hand, because I have the signal drops issue and it's the problem of this particular unit which I have. So yes, inconsistency is there in the network and also the performance. Now let me answer to the question. Should you buy this Pixel 6 or should you wait till the Pixel 7? Now waiting for the Pixel 7 is a good choice because considering it will have a second generation of Tensor chip and it will also come with Android 13, because I heard that the Android 13 beta is so stable that it beats out the Android 12 stable build. So I think the Android 12 with the combination of second generation Tensor will be a great phone. So if you are ready to wait for that and bear the extra cost if you're buying it from a country it's not officially sold, then you can wait for that. But if you're not ready to wait, then I think you can go with the Pixel 6. I do agree that it has a lot of bugs, but the Google Pixel 6 has come a long way. So if you want to buy this, there's a link in the description below. Check that out. You can go and buy it directly from them for the lowest cost. The second question, should you buy a Pixel 6 from a region where it's not officially sold? I mean, if you ask about India, well, you can buy that because I've referred to a couple of my friends who has the Pixel 6, and in terms of network, yes, I do agree that it is a bit of a hit and a miss when you compare with other brands, but hey, the Pixel 6 in India works perfect. With Jio, with Airtel, with BSNL, all SIMs work perfect. There's a problem with the Pixel 6 in terms of carrier aggregation. You won't get that extra speed, but hey, it works. Now the last and final part of this video. My favorite things or the things which I loved about the Pixel 6. The first and foremost thing are the cameras. Hands down, it is one of the best cameras that I've used in my entire life. My friend has an iPhone 13 and I also compared the pictures taken with that and this, and I'm loving the way the Pixel handles HDR and also gives out a high contrast image, which I I am a fan of. So hands down, in terms of image processing and the pictures that the Pixel 6 clicks, it's going to be a really great experience. I know the Pixel 6 Pro is much more superior in terms of having a telephoto lens, having a capability to shoot and record 4K videos with the front camera. For the price the Pixel 6 is sold for, it's a great device. Even if you compare with the other device at the same price range, the cameras are the king of this device, which makes this device stand out. The second thing are the AI features. Now, features like the ambient music, which identify the songs which plays near the device, it makes you feel in love with the device how it is. Day-to-day usage of this device is really great. I'm not a very hardcore user of a smartphone playing games all day, but hey, it handles most of the process really well. So yes, the cameras and the AI capabilities will make you fall in love with this device. So what do you guys think about the Pixel 6? Let me know down your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, if you end up liking my video, just smash the like button, subscribe to this video and share this video with all of your friends who is about to buy a phone, because if they really like this, they can buy it, right? And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the updates whenever I post any new video. This is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.